How to use make.com with ChatGPT. So to integrate ChatGPT with Make, you'll need to use the OpenAI module within Make's Scenario Builder and connect it to your OpenAI account using an API key. So here's how you do it. So first, set up your Make scenario. So create a scenario in Make, choose a trigger that initiates your workflow. Then add the OpenAI module to your scenario. Then configure the OpenAI module. Simply just select the Create a Completion action and then connect your OpenAI account by providing your API key, and in the prompt field, define the instructions or questions you want to send to your ChatGPT. You can use variables from previous modules in your scenario to dynamically generate prompts, and then configure other settings like temperature, max tokens based on your needs. And then you want to add subsequent modules. So after the OpenAI module, add other modules to process the output from ChatGPT. You can use variables from ChatGPT output in subsequent modules. Like for example, if you want to update a Google Sheet with ChatGPT response, you would add the Google Sheets module and the map the appropriate data. And then lastly, you want to test your scenario. So run a test to ensure the scenario works as expected, and then review the output of each module to verify the data flow and results. And that's how you can basically use Make.com with ChatGPT.